June 4th marked a controversial move in Pakistan's province of Balochistan. The Balochistan Assembly passed the Counter-Terrorism Balochistan Amendment Act 2025, a law giving sweeping new powers to the military and intelligence agencies operating there. But this law has raised serious alarms among rights groups, legal experts, and civil society who fear it will increase repression and unrest in the region. So, what does this law actually say? It allows military and intelligence agencies, including the Pakistan Army and the ISI, to detain individuals for up to 90 days without filing formal charges or presenting them in court. This can happen purely based on suspicion without any judicial oversight. That's a big deal. The law also hands joint investigation teams, made up of police and intelligence operatives, more power to issue detention orders, profile suspects ideologically, and conduct searches and seizures without prior court approval. Plus, military personnel now have formal roles on civilian oversight panels. Critics say this blurs the line between civil policing and military operations. Human rights organizations like Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, and Pakistan's own Human Rights Commission have condemned the law. They say it violates Pakistan's constitution, especially Article 10, which protects against arbitrary detention and breaks international law under the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. Why is this especially worrying in Balochistan? The province has a long history of enforced disappearances where people are taken by state forces and never seen again, some missing for 15 to 20 years. Many families still search for their loved ones. Activists warn this law effectively legalizes such detentions, turning Balochistan into what they call a legalized detention zone. The Baloch Yak Jeti Committee, a prominent civil rights group, called the law a grave violation of personal liberty and due process. They compared it to some of the darkest chapters of modern history, including Nazi concentration camps and the internment of Uyghur Muslims in China. On the other side, the Pakistan government defends the law as necessary to strengthen counter-terrorism efforts. Officials say it targets only those involved in anti-state activities and that law-abiding citizens have nothing to fear. This law comes at a time of high tensions in Balochistan, where separatist insurgency, political alienation, and military crackdowns have long fueled unrest. The passing of this law is likely to deepen divisions and raise concerns over human rights even further. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.